What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Haridim Querido. Today, we're talking quail. Alright, so in previous videos you probably heard that I got rid of most of my livestock, goats, chickens, and kind of started from scratch. So I went ahead and got a couple of quail. I had a pretty extensive project. I made a 2-tier coop, which I'm about to show you. So I started with 4 quail, adult, jumbo, Cortunix. And so I had 3 females, 1 male, and I incubated some eggs. And now we're up to nearly 20, maybe 18. I haven't thoroughly counted, but let's go check that out. All right guys, so that's the 2-tier quail coop I was working on. And I've got the older ones down here on the bottom. Quail are notoriously messy, but it seems to be working pretty well because most of their droppings all fit through there. I believe that's 1/4 inch, and the sides here were 1/8 inch hardware cloth, so no predators get to them. It may look ugly, but I did wrap it on the outside because predators can push in. I did do that on the door, partially for functionality, but also for aesthetic. What I can do here is I have easy access to their droppings. That's about a week and a half's worth that I can easily compost. And yeah, so while I've got you guys here, I wanted to show you something that I was gonna test out in the quail here. They're a little low on feed, so I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity. Grub Terra sent this to me. I always kind of screen companies that send me anything. I'm not just gonna do videos or mentions for no reason at all. I definitely looked into them. But what this is soldier fly, and they're naturally preserved, just dried out, no preservatives. But the really cool part about this is they're using food waste, and it's balanced. They're eating fruits, vegetables, carbohydrates, but you're getting a really nice, clean product, and they're getting rid of waste. It's sustainably done. It's pretty awesome. These things have 75% more calcium than mealworms, and so you're gonna get a lot better egg production, less molting, more feathers, just all around healthier chickens, and in this case, quail. I've heard people on, say, like TikTok and stuff, complaining about their egg production in general, which is usually from a lack of protein. Maybe it is true that the feed has changed a little bit in some of these more commercial companies, but I mean, I always supplement with my own food scraps and stuff, but something like this is gonna be a nice treat. We're gonna check it out while the quail, they're a little hungry. I fed them before I went to work today, but I just got back. Usually I fill them up twice a day if needed, but we're gonna check this out. So they're an American company, nothing from China, nothing foreign, just American, and I believe Canadian too. But yeah, great product, and you're saving a lot of trash from going into landfills. Well, let's see what the quail think of it. All right, so I'm just gonna get a nice handful. They'll probably be a little shy at first. That's a pretty healthy dose. And then we'll get these guys. They know where to find their food. This is a little foreign to them. To be honest, they're pretty picky, and they don't even like half the scraps I give to them. So let's see. They're probably a little afraid of my camera. These are some of the fresh hatchlings. A month or so old. But aside from the camera, they're definitely showing some curiosity. The no-brainer test is the chickens here and the brooder. They're a little skittish during the day. See how they're liking that. They don't like my camera either. But they are definitely going for it. These are a hybrid I'm working on, but kind of keeping it hush-hush for now, a little side project. All right, guys, well, that was just a quick update. I want to thank Grub Terra for sending me some of their products. And as said before, I really don't promote anything that wouldn't benefit either my subscribers or myself. And in my case, it's definitely something I would use on a daily basis to supplement my poultry. If you guys want to get 10% off your order, I'll put some links below to their social media and website. And if you use promo code GRUB10, you can get 10% off your order. All right, guys, well, this was just a quick update video, mainly focusing on the quail situation. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to go in depth about certain aspects. I kept quail in the past, and the only thing was the predator situation, so that's why I put a lot of time and effort into their coop there, and they seem to be doing really well, even with a lot of stray cats around and stuff. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to do some more in-depth and on what topics pertaining to the quail. They're relatively easy, very quiet. I will say they eat a lot, and they're pretty messy with their poop. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.